For a peak performance drive belt, look no further than Optibelt's new Super XC Power Pro, one of the most efficient V-belts on the market. Hi, I'm Tim Webster. The innovative design and extraordinary temperature resistance of the EPDM material make the Optibelt Super XC Power Pro ideal for the smallest pulley diameters, extreme temperature ranges, and high speeds of mechanical engineering. The Super XC Power Pro's tooth shape is optimized for dynamic loads and can accommodate back-bending idlers. The innovative red cushion compound built into the belt ensures perfect grip, high durability, and top performance every time. The Super XC Power Pro V-belt boasts a 20% increase in power over the standard Super X Power model. Super XC Power Pro is maintenance-free and enjoys a long service life. Performance is virtually silent, even at high torque levels. Super XC Power Pro V-belts are ideal for compressors, fans, pumps, lathes, drills, and other scenarios where compact drive systems are required. Super XC Power Pro is the choice for specialist machinery manufacturers. And to find out more about Optibelt's Super XC Power Pro, contact Optibelt on 038791 2700 or visit them online, optibelt.com. And thanks for watching.